Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to share this style that I think I love very much, and I've always wanted to do. I've done it before, but this time I wanted to share it with you. So this is the cornrow, stitch cornrow, but then you attach one braid to the other. So I started by sectioning my hair in the stitches, if that makes sense, that I wanted into the little partitions and putting that away. I found that that was the easiest way to do it so that you don't get tired sectioning each time. So I did all that before I even started braiding. So what I'm doing right now is I'm dividing my hair into threes to start the braid, and I do that braid and then connect it to the next hair, right? So I'm not being rough to my edges, I'm being soft, but it looks like I grasp them like tightly, but I it's kind of in the middle. It's tight but not like tight, so that I don't pull out my edges, but I also wanted it to look neat because I wanted to wear this style as it is. I know you can wear this style as it is, but most people use this style as a foundation for their crochet, and it looks amazing under crochets because of those stitch lines. It actually gives the impression of single braids other than like crochet. So I wanted to do mine as neat as I could possibly do, so that I can wear this style as it is. So I do partition in one twist. As you can see, it is two partitions. It's like those are two twisted together. So when I am braiding, I subdivide the one that is going to be done later into three, so that when I'm doing the current one, I don't have to stop and divide the other one into three, and I just pick up as I still have momentum and I can feel where to stop. So when braiding this, you'll find your own comfortable of how many rounds you're gonna go before you can stop and attach to the next one. I found that my most comfortable was between 8, 7 and 10. So you will find your own comfortable. It's very easy to do, and it's like not hard on the hair because you're really not pulling, but it looks like really neat. And also it's quick to do because when you're doing one braid, you're not braiding all the way to the end. You're actually just making like 8 passes before you join to the next one. So for me, as I have long hair, it was really easy to do because I didn't have to braid all the way to the end and then pick another one and then do all the way to the end. I really enjoyed doing this hairstyle, and I feel like if you like doing your own hair, this is something you can switch up with. I got like so many compliments with it, and I was able to stay with this hair for 5 to 6 weeks, and my hair grew very well in it. It was not disturbed, so I can say it's a good protective style. Another thing I wanted to point out, while you're doing this, remember to detangle all the way to the end as you keep braiding, because it's easy to forget and just like, you know, keep doing the bottom without detangling the end. And this is if you have really long hair, because your hair will lock itself at the at the ends, so remember to detangle as you go. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. We did not need a long time to explain this. I feel like it's pretty much self-explanatory, plus I took my time showing how to start the braids and how to actually do it. But if you'd like a more detailed video about this, let me know. Or if you'd like me to do this same style and show you how to attach the crochet braids, you can also let me know in the comments. Also share with me what other styles you think you'd like to see from me. Thank you very much for watching, and subscribe if you haven't. Share it with your family, and see you next time. Bye.